Hello, Tom S. from Michigan. Cyber Monday, I got a Sous Vide. I've used it once, and I wasn't really thinking about making a video yet because I was so new. But I got a couple T-bones in there right now. Get a good look at them. I got it set at 130 degrees. But I got the T-bones last week, and I seasoned them up. I just salt, pepper, garlic, and I put a little avocado oil, and then I vacuum sealed them, and I put them in the freezer, fresh out of the freezer. I didn't film any of that. I'm kind of wishing I would have a little bit, but like I said, I wasn't sure I wanted to videotape them yet, but here we are. Okay, 2 hours in the Sous Vide, 130 degrees. I got my cast iron skillet here heating up. We're gonna put some Sang stir fry oil. I'm gonna pat them dry. This will help them in the searing process. You hear that? You know, I hate to say it, but the Sous Vide is really good. I feel like a sellout to my barbecue crew, all my subscribers, my 74 subscribers. But the Sous Vide is really good. Seared it on my cast iron. Maybe that's the saving grace, the cast iron. Or you can sear it on your charcoal grill. Well, you can do it on wood fire, but the Sous Vide is good. That T-bone was excellent. Well seasoned, well cooked. Pink, just like I like it, and very tender.